Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy, or Amylouise. I'm a professional trained makeup artist of 13 years. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. I had to think about that one. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how I created this eye look using the brand new Carnival Antidote palette. This is the fourth one in the series. I just got it yesterday. I've already got a video up of this, first impressions, review, all that. So if you want to check that out, I will have it on the end screen. I will also have it linked down below. I love this palette. I'm just gonna put it out there. I love this palette. So yeah, so if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with a JS13, which is just this little pencil brush, and the shade Pecan, which is right here. Okay, so my eye is already primed with a Amylouise base. I'm going to use this shadow and I'm going to pack it right on in my crease. I'm going to keep it quite rounded, and I'm going to keep the top pretty straight. I've really been enjoying the overall effect of, rather than like rounding it off, I don't know, I like it. Okay, so I'm going in with a Morphe M456 and the shade Aubergine, which is right in the corner. I'm going to go 50% on, 50% off, start to blend this out. Okay, I'm taking a separate M456 and the shade Sweet Cheeks, which is again right up here next to Pecan, right below. And again, I'm just going to go 50% on, 50% off, keeping that shape that we have created. And each additional shade I add, I'm bringing it just a little bit closer to the inner corner. I started off right about a third of the way in and slowly bringing that towards the inner corner. I don't want my inner corner completely covered. I'm going in with a JH32 and the shade Fugo, which is right at the bottom. And again, 50% on, 50% off. Blend out this shade. Okay, I'm now going in with a Morphe M441 and the shade 4, which is right here. And again, 50% on, 50% off. Circular motions, blending out this shade. Okay, I'm going in with a Jessup 228 and the shade Bonbon, which is this kind of dusty pink. And you guessed it, 50% on, 50% off, right around the edges. And then a Morphe M441 and the shade Pampers, which is like almost the exact center shade right here. And we're just gonna get the edges with this as well. Okay, I'm gonna go in and do the exact same steps right from the beginning and re-intensify and really make sure that my blend is on point. I do this with all my looks and I just feel like it gives it gives a way better end look, like a final product. It's just better if you go in for a second blend. So I'm going to do that now and I'll be back. Okay, so I am back. We've got to this point. I'm going to take my blank canvas by Amylouise and I'm going to create a half cut crease. Okay, so half cut crease is on. I did take my finger on the edge just to blend that out just a little bit. I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to take the shade Honey, which is this beautiful gold, and I'm going to pop this on the center. then I'm going to flip my brush over and go into dwindle, which is right up here. I'm now going to take that the second brush we used, the M456 with aubergine, but instead of going in with aubergine, I'm actually going to go in with Sweet Cheeks, just a tiny bit, and I'm just going to tap on over the edge, just to blend that out just a little bit. We don't want harsh lines. And then I'm going to keep that brush and I'm going to go in with Pecan just on the very edge. Okay, I'm going to go in with my Fresh Ink by Amylouise. You can use a black liner, you can use a pencil, a gel, whatever it is that you like to use in your waterline. Use that, use what you've got. I'm going to pop this in my waterline and just a little bit below. And then I'm going to take this small flat fluffy brush. I believe this is a Sigma E47. I could be wrong. Literally everything on the handles come off. I'm trying to read like the indent, but it's hard. So I'm going to take this into Pecan. Smudge that right down below. And then into Aubergine. And connect it up into this outer corner right here. Okay, I'm not wearing lashes today, I'm just wearing mascara, so I'm going to go ahead, do that and do my base, and then I will be right back to finish off the look. Okay guys, I am back. I want to just give this a go, so I'm just going to add it in here. I've lined my lips with the NYX Urban Cafe lip liner, and I'm going to take the Elixir liquid shadow that I got with the palette. I'm just going to pop it on the back of my hand. I just want to see if this will work on the lips. So I've just took it on the back of my hand and I'm just going to tap it on. Okay, that did work. Not exactly the look that I was going for, but it worked. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. Anyway, let's get back to the eyes. I'm going to take that brush with Pampers on it. Why is it called Pampers? I'm just going to get the edges a little bit more and bring it all the way down under my eye too. And then I'm going to take that little flat brush that I used on the under eye and I'm just going to re-intensify those shades, just because I feel like when you do your under eye before you base, it does kind of get a little bit lost when you're doing like your concealer and stuff. I'm just going to add that back in, and then just to finish up I'm going to go back to that Pampers brush and just blend a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go in with Glisten, which is over in the green side here, and let's pop that on my inner corner. Oh, that's beautiful. That is stunning, and this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you have this palette yet? Have you ordered it? Are you waiting on it? Let me know. If you want to see more videos with this palette, let me know too. I have so many video ideas from this one palette, like I just want to play with it every single day. But yeah, that is everything. If you haven't already, do hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.